Introducing WEfold by WorldEntire. We're in partnership with Stanbury Chameleon. We've just launched our two new products. We've got a 2 meter and a 2.4 high impact, large format displays. WEfold, it can be fully inverted, so whether you want the seamless side facing forward or you want the CNC side, which is the 4 windows. Ultimately, what you do is you just pick it up, turn it around, bring it in, and now you have another display. Also, you can bring it by degree. So if you want it to stand wider, you can have it at a wider stance. We wanted to make large format printing accessible to the masses. So we created a product that folds down to 4 times its original size. We wanted to create something that was just user-friendly, easy to use. In order to bring it back down, you just lift the WEfold, fold in the feet, bring this in just like so, and then fold it down. Attract your customers like a moth to a light. This is WEfold by WorldEntire.